Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will cook meatless adobong kangkong. Here are the ingredients: garlic, onion leaves, the beef cube, and the seasoning. And we have marca pina calamansi soy sauce. This is a soy sauce with calamansi. And we have nor liquid seasoning chili flavor. And we have ground pepper. And of course, lots of kangkong. Join me, guys. We'll put some oil. Now we will add the garlic. And onion. Now we will put the beef cube. Now we will add kangkong. Lots of kangkong, guys. Somebody gave us 2 bunches of kangkong. I also have at my rooftop garden. Guys, I cannot mix it. This is the pack of the beef cube, guys. Now we will add the seasoning. Then we will add soy sauce. Now we will add the black pepper. And the nor chili. Oh my God. Guys, we have here the rice wash. We will add some so that there will be a little soup. You can also mix a little flour and add to the mixture. It's pure vegetable, guys. Meatless. Perfect for the Lenten season. Now we will add the onion leaves. Tang, 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 tang. Here is our meatless adobong kangkong. Let's have some, guys. Adobong kangkong. Pure veggie. Perfect for the Lenten season. We will add a little vinegar for a sweet and sour taste. And a little brown sugar. Here is our meatless adobong kangkong. More onions. We have lots of onions at the rooftop garden. Let's have some, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and tips. Thank you. Bye-bye.